Good afternoon. This is Mike Palmer from Mike Palmer Homes. Today we appreciate you visiting our site and watching our videos. We got another house here just about ready for completion. We call this plan the Princi. It is a 1,672 square foot home, I think with 2,800 under roof between porches, garages. It's 1672 heated. Now there are a lot of features packed into 672 square feet, and it's been a real popular plan for us. So just a couple things on the outside I want to explain. We just planted grass not long ago when we're having them come to cut the grass. But this is kind of strange land. We get pumpkins and watermelons growing. I think it was farmland before. And we want to control the erosion, so we kind of let it grow. And this time of year, the fescue we put down doesn't grow real well in the heat, but the heat should be breaking shortly. But we just want something to come up, so we kind of let it grow. We're going to mow it down. It's going to look neat, but you see houses that we built up the street. And down here we do have nicely manicured yards. So anyway, I felt the need to explain that. I don't know if it's something of particular interest to you, but anyway, on the front we did a vertical siding with a shake up there, with a shake up in the gables. This house was picked out by a client. I mean, you know, they designed the features they wanted, but then they had a life change, I think a pregnancy or something like that, to where they had to terminate the contract. So we put it up, we completed it and have it as a spec house. So kind of interesting history. Oh, that's an 8-foot garage door. We've got windows in there. The front porch, this lot it was one of the flatter ones in this neighborhood, but it does have a good amount of slope. See over there, when we built that one, we were able to put a door to the crawl space, a full-size door, because it did slope down a good bit. This one does as well, so that's why we ended up with steps on the front porch, just because it got to be, with railings on the front porch steps. If it's just one less step, we wouldn't have needed the railings. But we put a nice powder-coated aluminum rail because it is maintenance-free and it hooks into concrete a lot better than trying to deal with wood. A nice sitting front porch. Has this craftsman style front door, and you will see the stage we are here. You see a lot of this blue tape, and that's all the little blemishes and dings and things that happen while working that we're fixing right before final movement. So you'll see some sheetrock patches, and that's what that arrow is, means. There's a pair up front. So the painters already came, did the preliminary spackle run, so that's all going to be cleaned up. So when you know that, but you come in, you've got the foyer. This is a cathedral great room, so you got a nice cathedral ceiling here. This big kitchen island and one nice dining area. Oh, with a granite top. Granite tops, and you got that dining area. So that's the main core of the house. But over here, we have this pocket office. Not really a pocket office, just a home office, which has become real popular since after the events of 2020. So you can we put barn doors here. Got barn doors. You can have whatever doors you want. A lot of times we'll do the glass doors. We'll do like a 15 light door. Just depends. Sometimes with the nice beveled glass. But anyway, you've got a nice window out front. Put the home office here, and you got outlets. So you can put your desk on either side or out front. Anyway, and you can close it off if you have a desk with a bunch of papers on it. Whatnot. Close it right off. Well, for a house this size, you've got a fair amount of cabinet space. You have your fridge over here, space on either side, and I call this the pantry from heaven because it's a nice big pantry. This one's got wire shelves, but you got lots of shelf space there for that, which makes the kitchen function even a lot. You can put it in there, it makes it function even bigger. So over here we've got, this functions as like a mudroom here. And you've got a laundry room here, which is nice to have a laundry room that you can close off. Washer dryer, a nice shelf up top, but you can close the door so you're not looking at all that mess. Some people don't like to walk through the laundry room when they come in, and here's just a linen closet here in the laundry, and you can actually use that to hang some wet clothes to let them dry if you'd like. And you can close the laundry room door. Close it all off. Anyhow, and over here, this is like a mudroom. This is your entrance from the garage. Nice 2-car garage. This house, you can pull down attic stairs. And so that's the main core of the house. We've got a fireplace with a cedar mantle and a granite surround, but you can see out they got a nice view in the backyard. And there's your 15 light glass door, so you can have it see out on the back porch from your dining area. And we've got a nice covered screened-in porch here. Keep the bugs away. And once that gets all manicured, you tend to have a real pretty backyard. You can see the mountains from here. You got some nice views over there. And you can see all the goings on of the neighborhood. Now let's go back and look at the bedrooms. Bedrooms 2 and 3. It's nice to have a split floor plan because mom and dad, parents' room is over there. Other bedrooms over here, so they're on opposite ends of the house and give you some privacy. This here is our cold air return. A lot of times we'll put that in the closet. I'll show you that, but you got a linen closet here. Bathroom here. I always like to put the granite tops. These have a square sink in the bathrooms. Cultured marble just doesn't really do it for me. And our typical, we got a fiberglass tub. Comfort height, elongated bowl commode. So this is bedroom number 2. I don't like bifold doors, so we went with a nice, this is a classic Roman arch. We've got multiple door styles available. And this is the closet. So we got some high lows, and this is where the cold air return is. So we just stole that little area of the closet, makes for a nice little shelf. Really doesn't take up much of the house. But for your heating system to work correctly, blows out the ducts. It has to have a way to return back to get heated or cooled by the heat pump. Here, and we'd like to wire for ceiling fans in all our back bedrooms because everybody seems to want them. This is bedroom number 3. Similar type of closet. I said I don't like bifold doors. They end up broken before we're finished the house. And it's just a spare linen closet. All right, now in the front door, those 3 windows there, they call that a craftsman style front door. That's your front porch. Now let's go check out the master suite. And on the way to the master suite, there's another utility closet here for vacuum cleaners and whatnot. In the master suite, put a nice window seat. Mike Palmer Homes signature window seat. When these are some Mannington floors, more and more people are doing what these folks did and go ahead and putting the vinyl plank floors through the whole house and skipping the carpet altogether. And I can definitely see the benefit of that. I've got a lot of carpets in my house that would have been nice to have vinyl plank floors. Anyway, but here, I love my window seats, but you can see the goings on. A nice little sitting area. It's almost like an away space. And we've always struggled where to put the out receptacles, but we find it's good to put one here or here. We used to put them up there behind the cushions, but they were hard to get to. We put them in the middle here, but it's really, I like it here and here because you usually have your head at one end of the seat, so you can plug in your phone or your laptop or whatever electronic device. Next to the beds, we put in these with the USB chargers in there. So you can charge your phone. On either side. Now to the master bedroom, we have a nice barn door. Sometimes people do the, decorative wood. This is just a slab, similar to the slabs in the house. Stainless steel rollers, but a lot of times the master suite door stays open anyway. So we got granite tops. Sometimes we'll put a knee space there, like a place for a chair, a little makeup area, but this one chose to go drawers straight across. Got a big plate mirror. There's plenty of room between his and her, so people aren't bumping into each other. Husband and wife. Again, you see there are a few sheetrock repairs going on. There's a big tile shower. One of the things we like transom windows in the shower, just to let in natural light, and it makes it feel bigger. Go here, there's your shower. We like our niches. And that's called the Schluter strip. This company, Schluter, puts out a lot of really cool products for tile. But you see Schluter strips there on the sink. The niche for all your shampoos. There's a seat to shave your legs or whatever. And down here we got a nice, pretty Schluter strip on each side that finishes it off real nicely. They've come out with some cool products. And that's just a commode room in the master. Give you some privacy. And here's the master closet with the wire shelves. And we got a lot of, it's almost like a closet organizer. You got shelves, you got high-lows, you got a taller one for longer pants or dresses or whatever, and more space over here. So there's a good amount of space for clothes in this closet. So that's basically the house. You've got the master suite over here. It's a split floor plan. A window seat. A space. For a house this size, it's just got a real spacious kitchen area. Kind of blends in nicely with the great room and the cathedral ceiling. And with all the windows, it's almost like your porch is almost an extension of it. And of course, your dining area. And the house I live in now, I have a formal dining room. Not really crazy about it because we barely use it. It's a barely used room. And we have like a breakfast area here. My last house, we had one dining area. I thought it was a better use of space. And it kind of brought everybody together. It felt more of a family atmosphere. So anyway, this is one model of the Princi. We've got 2 more going up on the street because everybody seemed to like it. So we'll be doing another video on one of these shortly. And we got a couple more coming off before we're out of this development. And we'll be bringing that to you. So please hit the like or the subscribe button if you found any value in our videos. And we got a lot more great content to come. So thanks again for visiting our site. Oh, and we do also sell plans, if that helps anybody. We do have plans available for sale. So thanks again. Bye.